So yun guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-muscle ups. Let's go! So yun, bago ka mag-muscle ups, kailangan ma-meet nyo muna yung requirements na to. 10 pull-ups, chest to bar dapat. So hindi lang dito, yung regular. Yung regular lang. Dapat ganito, chest to bar.
Then our son and he's fighting to breathe on the inside, he's choking. He's turning his head.
So kaya tara, pull-ups tayo ngayon. So chest to bar pull-ups.
Develop a beautiful beat. I was looking at you lying there in my arms like could you be a problem?
Tapos pagka medyo lumakas ka na, sa abs naman, lumakas ka na doon. Abs.
I'm no midget, my favorite side grab by my singing, I'm down on those digits.
Yun. Medyo mahirap talaga yung high pull-ups pero yan, yun yung pinakakailangan sa muscle ups para makangat kayo din sa pull-up bar. Kaya tara, pull-ups na tayo. Ay, dips na. So kaya dito na tayo, mga straight dips na tayo. Ito yung pangalawang exercise na kailangan nyo. Dito tayo, straight dips. So dito kailangan perfect form, pag yung iba, ganito yung pull-up. Ito yung dips. Yan, dips. Ano ba? Yun. Kailangan maka-sampu kayo sa perfect form. Ang hindi nahihirapan. Bago yung magawa yung muscle ups. So ngayon sa technique naman tayo ngayon. Na-meet nyo na yung requirements pag nagawa nyo yung mga yun. Punta tayo sa technique. Kailangan nyo ng konting spin dito bago yung magawa ito. Ganyan. Kasi ano ito eh. Dalawa kasi yung muscle kasi dalawa to. Pull-ups, naka-dips. Pull-ups ka. Dips. Ganyan. So, hindi mo lang magagawa yung stick form yung walang sipang. So, gagawin mo muna yung kick muscle ups na gagawin ng kaibigan mo. Ayan siya. Gagawin niya muna. So, may sipa konti. Ayan, medyo mahirapan lang siya. Pero, malapit na rin yan siya. Tapos ito naman yung isang kaibigan ko, papakita niya yung straight kick muscle ups. Kikik ka pero straight pa rin yung paa mo dapat. Yan, may kick. Taas pa yun. Sa padil. Yan. Ganun. Pero okay na rin yan. Parang perfect form na rin yung ganun. Yung kick muscle ups. Pero straight. Tawag doon straight kick muscle ups. Sunod ay yung straight for muscle ups na. So ito yung pinakamahirap. Ano na to? Wala nang kick. Wala nang sipa. Pero syempre kailangan pa rin yung swing. Kasi kailangan talaga yun. Kasi kailangan nyo sa muscle ups. Kailangan may control swing ka. Kailangan ganun. Tapos wala nang kick muscle ups. Ito lang, pagkasunod na yun. Wala. Pinakamahirap. Walang straight yung paa mo talaga dito. So, yun lang yung muscle ups. So yung hindi ko na makalimutan yung sa grip naman pala. Kailangan overgrip ka dito. Kaya dapat hindi na ganyan lang. Overgrip. Ganyan o. Ganyan lang yan. Para mas madali. Pagka ano yan o. Pero kung kaya mo naman ganyan, kaya ka ganyan, hindi ka tayo na. Kahit ano, basta kung ano yung kaya mo. Hindi mo kaya, mag-overgrip ka na o false grip. Yung tawag na. Kaya bago matapos yung video, syempre mag-muscle ups muna tayo. Tatlo. Tama lahat ng mga hindi ko dito. So ako muna syempre. Muscle ups!
I was looking at you lying there in my arms like could you be a problem? The doctor said you had no hope way before you popped back and he solved it. My emotions were being torn with, I was spinning around, I'm no fidget. I'm no midget, my favorite side grab by my singing, I'm down on those digits. But my wife been bleeding for months on the verge of dying, she been fighting. I'm praying and crying, the scripts has been nothing was working, I'm trying. I'm fighting the hope that I know in the body of Christ is surrounded. I'm falling, they pick me up, I can't be worried, I'm my heart pounding. I'm in love with this boy and he's only been living a couple of hours. The hospital lights are not working, that hair coming down to the showers.
Mga malalaksa talaga itong mga to. Matagal ako ng training. Siyempre, bago mo magawa ito, hindi lang isang gabi na training gagawin mo. Kailangan mo ng ilang taon din, ilang taon, kahit ilang buwan lang. So next yung cameraman, malakas din din. Yung cameraman na. So yan, let's go, ito na siya. Napasubo pa. Okay, kaya mo yan. So yun guys, tapos na tayo mag-muscle up. So yun, so salamat pala tayo sa mga kaibigan natin na napang-muscle up pa kanina. Goodbye, maraming salamat. Bye!
Power, trying to walk in the authority. Everything I held captive under me. I don't wanna lose in this battle and have everybody coupled in my family. No.